Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Google Media on your Android or Samsung phone. Once you're on your phone, you know that if you swipe from the left inwards, it will open up the Google Discover or the Google Media, right? And you can see quite a lot of news there and so forth. But if you don't want to have this, guys, you can easily disable it. And from here, you want to swipe up and go to settings. Scroll down to where it says home screen, click on that, and then you will see the option that says add media page to home screen. So you can simply go ahead and toggle it off, and if you click on it, you can see that you have the Google Discovery. In other case, guys, you will sometimes see that it has the Samsung free there enabled. So whichever one that you currently see there, you can easily toggle it off and disable it. So when you go back to your phone and do a swipe from the left inwards, it will not open up that Google Discovery or this Google Media. If you find it annoying, this is how you can easily go ahead and disable it. I really hope you find this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.